welcome back to Kimmy's Kitchen and More. I've got a kind of large Food Lion haul. For Food Lion is pretty large because whenever I go by myself, I'm typically just running in there and just getting just a few things. But today I said I just wanted to get basically everything on our menu for the week, everything there, and get it done and over with so that I don't have to go the rest of the week. I even got a couple extra things, so like creamer, coffee creamer. I got the sweet and creamy silk almond creamer so that I would not have to run back for anything. So I got that. And then we were completely out of green beans. So it was cheaper to buy in the 4-pack. So I got green beans in the 4-pack. And then tonight we're having the Italian meatballs. You probably see me do a haul on that. We're gonna have those with some linguine tonight, some salad, and the Italian garlic bread. So I needed some red sauce for it. So I got the Bertolli. They had these on sale too for $5. The vodka sauce, and they only had one, so I got the garlic and vodka, the garlic vodka and the vodka sauce. So those will be yummy with that. Probably should get the cold stuff out of the way, but it's fine. The temperature in the house is fine. Everything will be fine until I'm all done. But anyways, my husband was completely out of his bread and butter chips, which I love these too. Pickles, the Mount Olive ones. And so I got some of those. And then for a meal that I'll make probably later in the week, definitely later in the week, I got some Italian dressing. And then they had the Sweet Baby Ray's on sale for $2 something for the honey mustard, so I got that. We always love that with our little chicken bites, or even with our fries. We like to dip it in our fries. And then for one night, I'm gonna make enchiladas. So I got some of the Gordo's cheese dip in the mild. This is so yummy. We love to just eat it with just tortilla chips and cheese. Really yummy. I don't know. Comment down below and let me know if you guys have ever had this. It's so good. You find it in the refrigerated section at Food Lion. So it would probably be in your cold section at your local grocery store if they do have it. And then I haven't had any guacamole for a minute, so I got the guacamole chunky. And then I needed for a meal later in the week, I needed some heavy whipping cream. So I got some of the heavy whipping cream for that. For our salad tonight, I got some mini cucumbers. We were out of blueberries, so I got the Good For You blueberries. And then I've been craving cottage cheese, so I got some cottage cheese, the Daisy brand. I like to put peaches in my cottage cheese, or I like to put pepper on my cottage cheese. Comment down below and let me know how you like your cottage cheese, if you in fact like cottage cheese. Then I got some of the large Pearls black olives for my husband and daughter for our meal later in the week. And typically I get the Campbell's, I believe it is, baked beans. However, or no, Bush's, not Campbell's. Bush's baked beans. But they had in the Saucy Spoon brand baked beans, sweet hickory flavor. So I got 2 of those. They had a lot of other flavors. Bless you. They had a lot of other flavors too, but I just got 2 of those. They were $2 something a piece. They had the Food Lion tissues on sale for $4.89, which is cheaper than the Dollar Tree. So, and it's the 2-ply, and it's unscented, and it says compared to Kleenex facial tissue. So yeah, that was a good price for those. I went ahead and got that because that was actually on my list, but I was gonna get it at Dollar Tree. I ran by Dollar Tree. There was a lady standing outside the Dollar Tree, our local smaller Dollar Tree, and she was, the manager there was on the phone with someone, and the other lady, I guess who was a cashier, stalker, she was there waving people down saying, sorry, we're not open. So I don't know what happened inside the store. If maybe yeah, if there was like electricity out or machines weren't working or what was happening, but they weren't open, which was fine with me because I probably just would have went in there and spent money I didn't need to spend when I ended up saving on the 2 items that I went in there for, which was that I would have went in there for, which was the facial tissues and my husband's shaving cream, and they did have this on sale anyways for, I think it was like 3, and it's the Edge Sensitive Skin Shave Gel with aloe. So like I said, I probably would have went in there and spent more money anyways, so it's all good. And then I got the Food Lion ranch dressing and dip mix because I used up our last one the other day when I made chicken bacon ranch quesadillas, and I like to have these in stock just for different meals. So they were 2 for $1, which was really good. So I got those, and I'm sure that the Food Lion brand is just as good as the other name brands. And then they did have the Chef Boyardee canned food on sale for $1, and I just picked up one for my daughter. I picked her up the mini raviolis. They had all of them on sale. In fact, they had a whole end cap, like a box end cap full to the top of that, showcasing that it was $1, but I saw it on the shelf. And they only, well, I only got one of these. They were on sale for $1.99. This is what Daisy eats. The wet food. It's the chicken and brown rice entree and the classic ground, the Purina one. They typically are $2.29, even some places $2.79, but they were on sale for $1.99. Unfortunately, they had a bunch that was pushed. It was on the very top shelf and pushed all the way to the back. I cannot reach them, so I just got one. That was unfortunate, especially with them being on sale, but it is what it is. Just like with this, I ended up getting this for $3 something, and I did not want to get, because the other brand was a little over $2. This was almost $4, but it was all pushed to the back. I could not reach it, and I didn't see anybody tall around that I could ask, because normally I'll ask, excuse me, could you reach that for me? But anyways, I'm gonna have to start bringing my picker with me to the grocery store, my grabber, you know. But I got the Old El Paso green chile enchilada sauce for enchiladas later in the week. It called for the canned green chilies. However, this was the enchilada sauce, and it looked and sounded really good, so I said I'm gonna pour that down over top of our enchiladas. That would be really yummy. And then I actually got the diced green chilies for another meal later in the week. As y'all know, I do the meal planning, so it's nice to have that done and then go to the grocery store, because then you don't overspend, which all of this come to, I don't have my receipt on me. Let me see if I put it in my pocket. No, I didn't. That's my list. I want to say it was over 200, but with my MVP, it ended up being like 190, 195. Which was still a lot, but I feel like I got a lot because I got meals for the entire week from what we didn't have already here that I added to, and then a little extra, you know. I did get laundry detergent. This was on sale for $9.99, the Gain. So I thought that was pretty good for 61 loads. So that'll last us a while until I get back to Sam's or go to Dollar General and use like a $5 off coupon like on a Saturday. And I'm sorry if I'm looking, if I'm not looking directly at the camera. I've got it turned around this time differently to film, and so sorry if I'm not looking right at the camera at times. And then I got some bananas because we always like bananas. And then these were on $1, the steaming bag, Brussels sprouts, the Food Lion brand. They were $1.79, and so I got 2 of those. So those will make good sides, just like the baked beans will make good side meals. I try to get not only what we're making, but also side meals are a little extra, especially if there's sale going on. I got the Aunt Nellie's diced pickled beets. They were the same price, like $2.79, $2.89, same price as the jar. So, and they're already diced for me, so I got those. And then when I was sick, I went on that brat diet at the recommendation of the urgent care and my gastroenterologist. I went on the brat diet and I really loved the Food Lion cinnamon applesauce. And they were 2 for $5. You get 6 of them each. So good. I'm like, to me, that's like a little sweet treat for me, and it's better than having, you know, candy or whatever. So let me see how many calories. They're 90 calories per one. So yeah, I was going through those when I wasn't feeling well. And then I did get some of the Nature's Promise free range chicken tenderloins for a meal later in the week. I did get some of the feta cheese. My daughter and I love feta cheese. And then at the request of my husband, I got some fresh, well, he asked for Parmesan cheese, but I'm not real crazy about the jar ones. So I got the fresh shaved Parmesan in the refrigerated section. And then my daughter asks for some Tillamook brownie batter ice cream. So I got that for her. I may have to try it. I don't know. I don't know if it's too much chocolate for me. And then for our salad tonight, sorry guys, this haul is just all over the place. I didn't like lay anything out in specifics. I just took everything out of the bag and started the video. So it's just all over the place. But I am trying to explain to you for meals. So anyways, I got the cheese garlic croutons for our salad tonight. I got, my daughter asked for some of the Velveeta packets. I couldn't find these, and I asked the gentleman where they were because I said I assumed that they would be with the macaroni and cheese. It would just make sense to me that this would be with the mac and cheese, the noodles, the pasta sauce, but it was not. So he did go down an aisle and find it, but he was standing there with it in his hand and he was talking to another lady, and then I just kind of reached out my hand and he handed it to me and I thanked him. So I'm not sure, I didn't get to ask him where he found it at, but it wasn't, unless I completely overlooked it, it was not in the aisle with the macaroni and cheese. So I got that. That's a 3-pack of the cheese sauces. And then I am addicted to the coconut, the Ben's Original Ready Rice Coconut Jasmine. They were on sale 2 for $5. I love these. I could just eat that for lunch, but it is quite high in calories. 300 calories for 1 pouch, so it is pretty high in calories. And then just strolling by the deli after I got the feta and was looking at what they had there. They'll make so much lunch meat and cheese and lay it out, and so I just went by and looked to see what they had, and their turkey last time was so delicious. So I got some of the turkey. It was $4.45, and then I got some of the cheese, the white American cheese. It was $2.94 from the deli. And then I love cream chip beef. I don't have it very often. I know these box meals are not good for you. I know that. I did get a few. These and 2 other things, which I typically don't purchase, but every once in a while, I just love a good cream chip beef. And over there, I've got some of that Hawaiian bread that this would just be delicious on top of for breakfast. Big calories for breakfast, 340 per container. I got 2. They were on sale. I want to say 2 for $5. So that's a good price. And then they had these carnitas on sale, slow cooked pork. I thought that would be really good one night for like tacos. And they were on manager special for $5.99. I will need to eat them soon though, because they are going bad. I'll move something in our list of our menu because we'll need to eat those sooner than later in the week. And then I love orange chicken. And I've told y'all before that Trader Joe's has some delicious orange chicken. So I've been wanting some. So Food Lion's orange chicken that they had in some of the other packagings were quite expensive, especially for no more than what they gave you. But these were on sale, I want to say 2 for $6. They were on sale 2 for $6. Still cheaper than ordering Chinese food, okay? So we do have the lo mein noodles in there. And so I thought one night we would make those lo mein noodles. And this actually comes with the white chicken, the vegetable, it's the orange chicken, and orange sauce with fried rice. So it's a complete, and I could add some like broccoli to it and maybe some of the packaged chicken that we have in there to it to make even more, so that it would be enough for my husband, my daughter, and I. So I got 2 of those, 2 for $6. I got a thing of eggs because I'm making breakfast burritos for my husband for work, so that he at least gets in 1 meal of the day before he comes home. And then I got this Pepperidge Farm classic coconut layer cake because I love coconut cake. I think my daughter does too. And so I thought that would be good for a sweet treat one night, or if she has her brownie batter ice cream, I'll have a little coconut cake with mine. So that is my haul, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching, honey. Belle, will you get this, babe? Thank y'all so much for watching. And please go check out Lois and everyone else in the #Friday hauls. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and until next time, bye y'all.